Sight is a precious gift. It allows us to perceive the world's beauty, navigate its complexities, and connect with those around us. From the vibrant colors of a sunrise to the intricate details of a loved one's face, our vision enriches every aspect of our lives. It's easy to take this gift for granted until it's threatened. When our vision becomes impaired, it can significantly impact our quality of life, limiting our independence and ability to enjoy the world to the fullest. Maintaining good eye health is crucial for preserving this vital sense. Regular eye exams, a balanced diet rich in eye-healthy nutrients, and protection from harmful UV rays are all essential for safeguarding our vision. Early detection and treatment of eye conditions are critical to preventing vision loss. Advancements in medical technology have revolutionized eye care, offering innovative solutions for various ocular problems. One such groundbreaking procedure that has transformed the lives of millions is phacoemulsification, a modern marvel in the field of ophthalmology. Cataracts, a common age-related eye condition, occur when the natural lens of the eye becomes cloudy, obstructing the passage of light to the retina. This clouding effect results in blurred vision, faded colors, and difficulty seeing clearly, particularly at night. Cataracts can significantly impair daily activities, making it challenging to read, drive, or even recognize familiar faces. If left untreated, cataracts can lead to severe vision loss and even blindness. Fortunately, modern medicine offers a safe and effective solution: phacoemulsification. This minimally invasive procedure utilizes ultrasound technology to break down the clouded lens and gently remove it from the eye. A new artificial lens, called an intraocular lens, IOL, is then implanted in its place, restoring clear vision. Phacoemulsification is a testament to the ingenuity of modern medicine, a procedure that combines precision, technology, and a deep understanding of the human eye. Through a tiny incision in the eye, a probe emitting ultrasonic waves is inserted, targeting the clouded lens. These waves break the cataract into smaller pieces, which are then gently suctioned out. The IOL, a clear artificial lens, is folded and inserted through the same small incision. Once inside the IOL unfolds and takes the place of the removed natural lens. The procedure is typically performed under local anesthesia, allowing the patient to remain awake and comfortable throughout. It is remarkably quick, usually completed within 30 minutes, and boasts a high success rate. Following the procedure, patients experience a significant improvement in vision, with colors appearing brighter and images becoming sharper. Phacoemulsification has revolutionized cataract treatment, providing a safe, effective, and swift solution for millions worldwide. While phacoemulsification is a groundbreaking procedure, understanding its intricacies can be challenging. This is where 3D animation comes into play, serving as a powerful tool for medical education and patient communication. 3D animation allows us to visualize the procedure in detail, transforming complex medical concepts into easily understandable visuals. By recreating the anatomy of the eye and the steps involved in phacoemulsification, 3D animation provides a clear and engaging representation of the process. Imagine watching a 3D animation of phacoemulsification. You see the clouded lens, the ultrasound probe breaking it down, the suction removing the fragments, and the IOL being implanted. This visual journey eliminates the abstractness of medical terminology and replaces it with tangible imagery. For patients, this translates into reduced anxiety and increased understanding of their upcoming procedure. For medical students and professionals, 3D animation provides a valuable tool for learning and honing their skills. The human brain is wired to process visual information efficiently. We retain and recall visual information more effectively than text or spoken words. This principle underpins the power of 3D animation in medical education and patient communication. By presenting complex medical procedures visually, 3D animations cater to our innate learning preferences, making the information more accessible and engaging. Studies have shown that visual aids, such as 3D animations, significantly improve knowledge retention and comprehension. Patients who watch 3D animations of their upcoming procedures report feeling more informed, less anxious, and more confident about their medical care. Medical students and professionals benefit from 3D animations by gaining a deeper understanding of anatomical structures, surgical techniques, and potential complications. The ability to visualize a procedure before performing it or undergoing it enhances learning, improves surgical precision, and ultimately leads to better patient outcomes. Phacoemulsification, coupled with the power of 3D animation, represents a shining example of how technology is transforming healthcare. It's a story of innovation, precision, and a dedication to improving patients' lives. Phacoemulsification restores clear vision, allowing individuals to reclaim their independence and enjoy life to the fullest. 3D animation enhances our understanding of this remarkable procedure, fostering informed decision-making and reducing anxiety surrounding medical care. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications of 3D animation in medicine. From virtual reality simulations for surgical training to interactive patient education tools, the possibilities are endless. The synergy between groundbreaking procedures and cutting-edge visualization tools paves the way for a brighter future in healthcare, where vision is restored, understanding is enhanced, and the complexities of medicine are made clearer than ever before.